Wonder why I'm always so happy? It is because I use clean fuel.
What is clean fuel? Clean fuel burns slowly, ensures efficient combustion, and reduces fuel consumption.
All right, madam. Here we are.
All right. So how much is it?
17 cities.
Here, 20.
Okay.
Keep the change. I enjoyed the ride in your clean car.
Oh, thank you. So you see, I get double, clean. Come with me and I'll show you the magic formula.
Welcome to the home of clean fuel at the best price. Petrosol. With Petrosol, you get more miles out of each gallon of clean fuel and at the best price. So you gain double and make more sales.
Petrosol, yeah.
Petrosol. Clean fuel in full quantity.